Food is the basic necessity of every one of us in any part of the world. Food delivery ecosystem is an essential lifestyle for every one of us in whichever country, whichever part of the states we live in. Food delivery ecosystem involves a cloud kitchen, either restaurants or cloud kitchen, where best of the dishes are being served timely, time and again, with the same taste or similar taste, which is liked by the consumers. Vast different varieties of consumers are also available who needs to taste different dishes from various restaurants. And as on date, Zomato has more than 1,31,000 restaurants, along with their upcoming Zomato Kitchen. The delivery system, that is, people who will deliver the food properly packed to the consumer at the right time, such that it doesn't get its value nullified due to making it delayed. So timely delivery is a must, and very important. All the three segments, that is, in an ecosystem, the consumers, the restaurants or the cloud kitchen, and the delivery boys, the delivery team, all are going to use the Zomato app or Zomato on net to connect, to order, to deliver, and to regulate and to control the actual delivery with time and seconds. All these things is a part of food delivery ecosystem, and the ingredients that cloud kitchen or the restaurants that are going to use, that is groceries and vegetables and fruits, to prepare the various dishes again and again, will again be provided by Zomato, that is B2B segment. Advertisements revenue on the net by the restaurants who are upcoming with the new dishes, or the restaurants who are trying to join the team. The revenue from consulting, that is providing the proper consulting about a proper dish which is being consumed time and again in a particular area, in a particular target audience or target market segment of consumers during various seasons, that will fetch the great revenue. As I have depicted that how biryani was started by Jubilant Food and successfully running since last couple of months. Food delivery ecosystem is though a new concept, but it is basically a old wine in a new bottle. We were using restaurants' phone calls or the websites and trying to book the order, and order used to come to us in an unprofessional way by their local team, which will be professionally done by Zomato. I consider Zomato and Swiggy as one because both are part of the food delivery ecosystem. So when I say Zomato, it includes Swiggy. Though Swiggy is different, management is different, but ultimately both are successfully provoking and promoting food delivery ecosystem, and they are creating the habits in us and changing our behavior to order, to take the delivery, to taste it, to like it, and to order it again the next time. Repeated orders, increasing the order size, increasing the customer base, increasing the proper dishes at the right time, such that the orders will increase and the size too will increase, and that repetitions will continue, and that is going to create an exponential growth on all the three fronts. That is on the delivery fronts, on the order size fronts, on the dishes fronts, and on the consulting fronts, as well as on the advertisement revenue fronts, and as well as on the B2B segment and B2C segments. All the three and plus three, 6 verticals. A typical food delivery ecosystems that was started by an IITians and gradually loaded into our lifestyle in last more than a decade, more so in last 4 years with the advent of smartphones and data. The visibility is that Zomato is ready for takeoff and skyrocket and allow us to taste the gold mine. Let's join the journey.